Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am bringing you a back to school supply haul. This is one that gets requested every year, and I actually bought school supplies this year. I finally unloaded my stash of stuff and found out that I needed a lot of school supplies. So before we get into the haul and the giveaway that I'm going to be doing, because there will be a giveaway in this video, this is going to be my new filming setup. It's not completely done yet, so I'm sorry if it's really echoey. I probably will still do some with the blue backdrop, like the mandala is not going anywhere. I just don't have my backdrop set up here yet, but basically I'm doing a room makeover that I've been talking about and I have been filming for you guys. So hopefully that will be up in the next 2 weeks-ish, 2 to 3 weeks. So at least by the time school starts, I think we'll have it done. But yeah, so that is where I'm filming and what's going on. So let's get into the haul and the giveaway. So before I get into the giveaway items, I am going to talk about the items that I bought for myself. One of the things I got is I got a 4-pack of tape from Target. This is more just for personal use. It has nothing to do with school, but I needed some tape for some projects I have coming up for in this room. Then I got myself 2 of the G2 pens. These are the best writing pens ever. These are the fine point ones. I just got a little 2-pack. You can get them in a bigger pack, but I just found this one and figured I still have some from last year, but I wanted to have 2 because those ones are eventually going to run out. Then I got 2 folders. These are from Walmart. I got one. This is the plasticky ones. I prefer these to the paper because they just last longer. This is the Stay Magical one. They had a lot of stuff with this gold, it's not embossed, but gold lettering on it. So I got this one. And then I got this purple one that says just a girl boss building her empire. So with everything going on lately, I felt like this was appropriate. So I got this one in purple. And then I got the Girl Boss notebook to match, and it's just white with gold lettering. This is 80 sheets wide ruled, college ruled notebook. So I got this. And then I got myself one of the 5-star kind of plastic, I don't know what they call it. It's not vinyl, but it's poly something, notebooks. And it is that colored powder that they use for the color runs, kind of bursting. And I thought that was really pretty. So I got those. That is all the school supplies I got for myself. Like I said, I didn't really need a ton. I am doing online schooling, so I just got stuff for first semester for when it starts, and if I need more stuff, I can just go to the store and get it. It's not as big of a deal. But for you guys, I got enough stuff that hopefully it'll last you the whole school year. So let's talk about what you guys can win. So I'm gonna put the rules at the end, so you have to watch the whole video. Make sure you get all the rules. I will also list them down below, but it's better that you watch because there might be some explainer type things. So the first thing you're gonna get is a notebook. I did get the Just a Girl Boss Building Her Empire notebook for this. I tried to keep everything pretty gender neutral, but I just really like this notebook and thought someone would like it, so I got this one. And again, 80 pages, wide ruled. I also didn't know what different areas have for school lists, so I tried to keep it pretty basic, but there is some fun stuff in here. I also got another 5-star notebook with the poly cover, so you guys are gonna get one of these. This one kind of has some neon. I thought it kind of looked like washi tape on here, so there's that one. You're gonna get 2 folders. I just grabbed red and yellow because I know some schools require you to have certain colors for certain classes, and depending on what grade you're in, but I figured red and yellow were pretty standard colors. Then you are gonna get one of these silicone pencil bags. I never had one of these in high school, and I definitely wish I would have carried a pencil case or a pencil bag, because I always put my pencils and pens in my pocket and they would break, or I would lose them. So I also wasn't able to carry my backpack in high school around with me, but it seems like that's not as big of a thing anymore. Like, people aren't allowed to carry their backpacks. So you can get one of these to carry all your essential items. You're also gonna get a pack of sticky notes. These are just regular old Post-its. And then a pack of index cards. There's 100 cards in here. They're different colors, so you guys can use these to study, or if you have a project where you have to speak and take notes on, if you're a note taker on index cards, got a whole pack of those. Then I did get a 5-pack of just plain 70 sheet notebooks. These are college ruled as well. There's a red, blue, green, yellow, and black, and they are with water resistant colors, so you guys can take these anywhere. These ones are definitely more gender neutral. The other two might be more girly, so you can give those away if you don't want them, or can just have them to keep at your house or whatever. And I got a binder. This has 2 pockets, and it kind of matched the other stuff. This is a 1-inch fashion binder with ombre. Yeah, and it has interior pockets to hold loose sheets, but it also has the clips, so if you have to clip anything in there, you've got it. I feel like boys are definitely carrying more like ombre, like bright color palettes, so I tried my best to be like fashionable. And then some more like less fun items but essentials. A whole pack of number 2 sharpened pencils. These are good for standardized tests, and they're always, you always need them. A 3-pack of the pink erasers. These are always good in case the pencil erasers aren't great. A whole thing of Sharpie highlighters. There is a pink, an orange, and 2 yellow. I also got a pack of number 2 unsharpened, kind of like cute decorated pencils, because again, I didn't know what age group I was getting here, but there's dinosaurs, cats, like some little kids jumping around doing stuff, and llamas, so there's those. And then a whole pack of Bic pens. There are 10 blue ones and 3 bonus colors. I think there's a black, a green, and a pink, so you can like take notes and whatnot on there. So that is my haul and giveaway. So the rules are pretty standard to my channel. The first rule is you have to be subscribed to my channel. As with any giveaway, gotta be subscribed to me. Also, like this video. I know those are pretty standard. And then leave a comment telling me your Instagram, your email, however you want to be contacted if you win, and saying you want to be entered in this giveaway. And for extra entries, you can follow me on Instagram. It is linked down below. And for another extra entry, you can follow me on Twitter. All of that stuff is linked down below. And for an extra special extra entry, that is a lot harder to say than you think. If you can tell me what cartoon character this Funko Pop is, I will bring her closer so you can see. Okay, get a good look. Okay, if you can tell me what character this is, you will get 2 extra entries. So if you can name the Funko Pop, it is 2 extra entries. Follow me on Twitter is an extra entry, and on Instagram is an extra entry. So just by commenting, liking, and subscribing, that's 1, and then all the extra things, you will get up to 5 entries in the giveaway. All your names will go in this basket, however many times you enter, and I will draw on my channel or on Instagram so that you guys can see it. So make sure you follow all the rules. I'll leave them in the description box. It's a lot to remember. And other than that, I want to tell you guys I am going to be taking the pencils and pens and erasers out of packaging just to make it easier to ship, and putting them in the pencil bag. So some stuff might be removed from bulky packaging just to make it easier for me to ship stuff. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoy. Be on the lookout for the rest of my back to school videos, and I will see you in the next one.